Welcome to Aerospike 2022. My name is Bill Odell. I'm the CMO at Aerospike, and I will be your host today. Before we get going with today's speakers, I'm going to cover a few things to just get you oriented on what we have lined up for you today. It's exciting, once again, to welcome people from around the world to our annual user summit. Just in case you were wondering, we have over 35 countries around the globe represented here today, and we are streaming this event across 20 time zones. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's great to have you with us here. Once again, we have a terrific line of speakers with us this year. Our speakers represent some of the world's most recognizable digital disruptors from industries across the globe, each of which are architecting, developing, and deploying applications on top of the Aerospike real-time data platform. We have companies from industries such as social media, ad tech, financial services, e-commerce, digital payments, telecommunications, cybersecurity, and more. We even have partners from public cloud services, data pipeline services, systems integrators, and solution providers. So whatever you are looking to take away from this conference, I am sure we have something here for you today. Aerospike 2022 is a hybrid experience. After today's virtual event, we're taking the show on the road, and we'll be coming to a city near you throughout the months of May and June. Our 6-city roadshow has a slightly different format. We will be focused exclusively on the information that developers are looking for to know how to develop on top of Aerospike. And in the roadshow sessions, we will cover information on new features we recently announced with Aerospike Database 6, and we will have a hands-on workshop to give developers a chance to give us a test drive. So if you're interested, please register for a roadshow coming to a city near you. Now, it's simply not possible to have an event like this without the support of our sponsors. So I want to thank each and every one of our sponsors. You can see their logos in front of you right now. Each one of them are instrumental in making this event possible. So I want to invite everybody to sit down and listen to what they have to say. Each of them have a session in our events this year, and I am certain you will take away something from each one of our sponsors that will be helpful on your journeys going forward. So as you listen to our speakers today, please share your thoughts on social media. We want to have a little fun during the event. So if you share your thoughts, have some fun, use the hashtag mission now. It's right in front of you on the screen, and you will be entered to win a Lego Saturn V rocket. A little bit about that rocket. It's the first rocket to put a man on the moon back in 1969. And that Lego rocket contains exactly 1,969 individual pieces to reflect that milestone in space exploration history. So have some fun on social media along with us. We'll track your posts and we'll announce winners after the event. We chose our summit theme, Mission Now, to reflect the reality that we're living in a right now world. With today's technology advances, we all have to agree that we have an unprecedented opportunity to satisfy the need for instant gratification. And whether your app delivers dynamic pricing, instantly calculates risk exposure, immediately detects fraud, or in the blink of an eye, knows where you are and sends you a car, expectations have never been higher. And the reality today is that organizations that understand how to capitalize on that right now experience are winning. And those that fail to capitalize on that are losing. So right now, companies are transforming old industries and creating new ones. Expectations are high, risks are high, but the rewards are even greater for those of us who find a way to capitalize on it. So right now, it is our mission to capitalize on the right now world and compete and win in the right now economy. So as I conclude my welcome to this year's event, I invite you to listen and learn how your peers are leveraging the Aerospike real-time data platform to compete and win in today's right now economy. And now it is my privilege to introduce you to our opening keynote speaker. Subbu Iyer recently joined us as Aerospike CEO. He brings over 25 years of experience leading technology companies in very innovative spaces. He is passionate about scaling businesses to reach their full potential. He has held executive leadership roles at companies such as Oracle, Veritas, HPE, Dell, and Riverbed Technology. Please join me in welcoming Subbu Iyer to Summit 2022 Mission Now.
Thank you, Bill. Hello, my name is Subbu Iyer, CEO of Aerospike. It's my honor to welcome you all to Summit 2022. I want to take the next few minutes to talk to you about what we have been working on since Summit last year and where we are headed. 2021 was a record year for Aerospike. We had the best year in company history. Thank you to all our customers, partners, and employees. Our business grew rapidly in 2021, with sales doubling year over year. Our cloud managed service grew more than 4 times last year. We received a Gartner peer review rating of 4.9. Thank you to everyone who shared their feedback. On the innovation front, we added new features to Aerospike Database 5 that enable AI and ML models to be rapidly updated with large-scale, frequently changing datasets. We made improvements to a cross-data center replication (XDR) capability to reduce latency when synchronizing data between globally distributed clusters in a multi-cloud architecture. This same XDR capability forms the basis of our change notification or CDC capability. And we expanded our Aerospike Connect portfolio of pre-built integrations by adding support for Spark 3.0, Presto, and event stream processing. We have been rapidly growing our team across every function in the company and also added 2 new executives. Stephanie, who leads our customer success team, joined us last year, and Agape joined us this year to lead our people and culture team. We added several new customers and partners globally. You'll hear from Criteo and other customers later today. Criteo are future-proofing their ad tech platform with Aerospike. They match an advertiser's content with the user's interests in real time. With Aerospike, Criteo is able to do this 950 billion times a day, while reducing their server count by 80%, saving millions per year and dramatically reducing CO2 emissions. This year, we continue to build on the tremendous momentum from last year. Data continues to grow rapidly, and real-time data growth is accelerating. Real-time data is hitting a hockey stick growth curve. The questions every leader should ask themselves is, how much data can I store and act on in real time? What new possibilities can I imagine with real-time data? This growth in real-time data is driven by the right now economy, which is fueled by the demand from immediacy from customers. The ability to harness real-time data to build disruptive businesses and outcomes will separate the winners from others. Every industry has real-time data needs. Diverse data sets, best ML algorithms, fastest responses, most accurate data. This demands having the right insight available in the moment and at the right time. Technology must support these demands. You need a real-time data platform. But what are the capabilities of a real-time data platform? We believe a real-time data platform must have high-speed processing and ingest, microseconds to milliseconds, must be highly available, 5 nines uptime for years, must always have accurate data at real-time speeds, must have plug compatibility with all data pipelines and event streams, must be massively scalable from gigabytes to petabytes, and must deliver predictable performance at scale with minimal variance. We built Aerospike from the ground up to do exactly this. No other real-time data platform can do all of this. This has been a part of our DNA and design principle. A design principle that is part of our brand promise. Predictable performance, unlimited scale, low latency, always on, at an affordable cost. and we strive to stay true to these across every innovation cycle. The Aerospike database is the core of our real-time data platform, and this is the Aerospike real-time data platform. We are able to connect to all data sources and all data sinks in real time. We are plug compatible to all your data pipelines. We support the most popular programming languages and API models. We augment your existing systems so you don't need to rip and replace. Our real-time data platform is designed to be the essential ingredient of your modern data stack. It can be a system of record for your streaming data. It can drive your AI ML engines by allowing you to ingest more data at real-time speeds so that your models can be constantly updated. It can also be a system of engagement and a lot more, all while delivering predictable performance, unlimited scale, low latency, always on at an affordable cost. It was built so that you do not have to re-platform in the future. You can future-proof your business with Aerospike. Now let's take a look at some of the recent innovations we brought to our real-time data platform. Last week, we announced the availability of Database 6, the first real-time, large-scale document database. With Database 6, you can natively store JSON documents and query them using JSON path. We are now a true multi-model database, and we plan to continue to add to these multi-model capabilities later this year. Other key features in Database 6 include massively parallel secondary indexes for all your large-scale queries, batch processing for faster data ingest, backing up and restoring from S3, and FIPS 142 compliance, providing our federal customers the ability to deploy large-scale mixed workload use cases securely. But that's not all. Today, we are announcing Aerospike SQL powered by Starburst, which gives you the ability to use massively parallel SQL queries on your Aerospike data. We are excited to partner with Starburst to bring you this capability to you. Rick DeMare from Starburst will be presenting at Summit later today, so do not miss this session. Another important initiative for us is to make it easier for developers to learn, build, and innovate rapidly with Aerospike. We have completely revamped our developer hub at developer.aerospike.com. You'll find great content, interactive tutorials, technical blogs, and a developer sandbox to help you get started. Please check out developer.aerospike.com and get started today. We are humbled to work with leading customers globally across different industries. Here are a few examples. CyberReason, a cybersecurity company that provides future-ready attack protection. They are able to detect, investigate, and remediate threats in real time. With Aerospike, they can use more data, more query to know what is going on in the environment. Aerospike is the single point of truth as they protect their customers from threats. Adobe has used Aerospike to build a unified customer profile across systems and engagement points, so they can deliver a personalized customer experience with context. And DBS Bank has built a global API layer to speed up their development processes, and Aerospike is a central piece of this new architecture. We also continue to invest in and grow our partner ecosystem so that we can better serve you. As you imagine new possibilities with real-time data for you and your organization, I encourage you to leverage Aerospike. If you're a developer, please visit developer.aerospike.com to start your journey with real-time data. We built the Aerospike real-time data platform from the ground up to fuel your ambitions. I welcome you to build your future. Be curious, be disruptive, build your own mission now with real-time data and Aerospike. Enjoy the rest of Summit 2022. There are some incredible speakers, customer stories, and innovations that should inspire you. Thank you.
Thank you, Subbu. I am sure everyone enjoyed hearing your thoughts on the right now economy and your vision for Aerospike, and more importantly and more relevant to today, your perspectives on our recent announcement about Aerospike Database 6.